All right, welcome back. And today we're going to continue building words with sounds. For this lesson, you're going to need the vowel sound A, the consonant sound S, the other consonant sound the consonant sound Make sure you have those out. And also the consonant sound D, D. You're also going to need this consonant sound oo, oo. And perhaps also just to add this consonant sound B, B. So S, A, H, D, N, L, B. Make sure you gather these letters that stand for the sounds that we will be using to make our words today. All right, pause the video until you actually get them out. Now that you're ready, let me know. Oh, you're ready. Great, let's get started. And if you notice, we're using some of the same sounds from previous lessons. All right, so let's begin now. We're going to have our word an. Remember this word? An. Yes, from the previous lessons, we're going to make a new word by adding a new sound to an. Are you ready for this? Watch this. D. And. We have a word, and. And I'm sure you've used this word before. Bill and Mary are going to the movies. I'd like pizza and ice cream for dinner tonight, please. And. What's our word? And. How did we make it? A-N-D. 3 sounds, but 1 word. And. Wonderful. Wow, we're off to a great start. Let's move this down a little bit here. Okay, and I'm going to kind of put these two together so you see how close they really are, right? See how close everything is. I'm going to put them on top of each other so you see them as really 1 word. Now, let's make another word by just adding, you guessed it, 1 more sound. What if I wanted to make the word land? What sound do you think I would have to add to make the word land? Oh, if you're thinking, you're correct. I'll add the letter L, which stands for O. And now I have land, land, land. Now I have 4 sounds, land, land. Say it quickly, blend them quickly. Land, land, land. Wow, I think we're getting the hang of this. So take a moment and make your word land. Great. You can actually pause the video sometimes and make your word so that after I've made mine, you can do the same, okay? All right, let's make another word. What letter do you think I need to add to make the word sand? What sound do you think I need to add? Yes, you are correct. I'm going to add s. S. See that? Now I have and sand. Sand. I have the word sand. Move this in the front so you can see it right in the middle there. That's perfect. Sand. And I did this by adding just 1 more sound. So you see, we can create new words by adding new sounds. Sand. I'm not quite finished yet. Oh, by the way, what a great word, sand. The sand was really white at the beach. I like sand. I like to play in sand. Now, this word, how about if we wanted to make the word hand? My hand. I want to make a word hand. How do I make the word hand? Yes, I need to add, take this away, I need to add another letter sound combination. I'm going to add, the H stands for, so now I have and, 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 hand. Hand. He uses his hand to write on the blackboard. Hand. I use my hand to eat. Hand. Now, I'm going to make one more word. I play saxophone in the band. Oh, by the way, did you make hand? Okay, do that. Got it? All right, good. Now, what about this other word? Move the H down, and we're going to make the word b. And. Oh, look at that. He plays an instrument in the band. Band. In the what? Band. And you see now how I've made new words by adding new sounds. Isn't that great?